belly and core workout today. It's just 10 minutes, you can do it. Now, don't be alone in your fitness journey. Join the rest of the community on Instagram, YouTube, or Discord if you need some motivation. And as always, the full 3-week schedule is on my website. Smash that thumbs up button, subscribe with notifications turned on, and also please leave a comment down below. I'll really appreciate it. And let's get started. We've got 17 exercises today, 20 to 30 seconds on, and 5 to 10 seconds of rest time. Get on your mat, and we're gonna start the workout with some shoulder taps.
She turned 20 and I'm saving every penny till I...
While in a high plank, tap your shoulder with your opposite hand. Make sure you are keeping your back straight and your core engaged. 10 minutes of fun. Let's do this.
Oh my God, good Lord, she's the one I've been asking for. Tried it once, now I need more. One more night, think I need an encore. Ooh, love the way you move, the blood in my veins, feeling so strange. I wouldn't change.
Stay in the same position. Next up, we're gonna do a front raise, one arm at a time, and then end it with a sit back and repeat.
The other one's plain, you're not the same. I wouldn't change a thing. Nah. Nah.
Just moved out from Philly, and I know it sounds silly. I don't want him to leave. Feel a whole lot better.
10 seconds rest here. We're going into a high plank bird dog. We're basically raising the opposite hand and leg, alternating both sides while in a high plank. For an easier alternative, just do a regular bird dog. Keep going.
Now I need more. One more night, I think I need an encore.
Ooh, love the way you move, the blood in my veins, feeling so strange. I wouldn't change a thing. I wouldn't change a thing. Ooh, love the way you move, the other one's plain, you're not the same. I wouldn't change.
Now let's get into a low plank, and we're gonna do some knee tucks. Lift your foot up high in the air, then bring it back down and tuck it in. Then repeat on the other side. Make sure you're squeezing your abs while working your core and your shoulders here, guys.
That's my baby, she amazing. It's a little crazy, need it on a daily. Didn't think I'd fall in love.
Never thought.
Look at how we ended up.
Look at us. That's my baby. Isn't he amazing? It's a little crazy. Need it on the daily. Didn't think I'd fall in love.
Nice work, you're doing great. Now make sure you have some room to move around. We're gonna do a lateral bear crawl. Start on all fours with your knees bent at 90 degrees, then lift your knees up, not touching the ground, then move to one side and then back. You should feel this in your upper body, legs, and your core here. Rest if you need to, but keep pushing through, you can do it.
Other one's plain, you're not the same. I wouldn't change a thing. I wouldn't change one thing. You might be my favorite song. Play it loud all night long. You might be my favorite song.
Next, we're going into a low plank kick taps. Make sure your butt is not poking up too much. Tap your foot off to one side, then repeat on the other side. As always, engage that core. You're doing great, guys. Now flip around into a reverse tabletop position. We're going to do some reaches one side at a time. Reach forward to the opposite side. Stay in the same position. Start with a reverse tabletop knee tap followed by a toe touch. Then repeat on the other side. For an alternative exercise, leave out the knee tap. Now get on the mat and we're gonna do some bicycle crunches. We're halfway through the workout, guys, not long to go. Make sure you're squeezing your abs, engaging that core. You can do it. Now get ready for some crab walks. Stay in the reverse tabletop, walk forward by bringing the opposite hand and leg forward, and then backwards and repeat. Rest if you need to, but push yourself because I know you can. Work that upper body and keep challenging yourself, guys. Next, we've got eccentric push-up lifts. Start in a high plank position and lower yourself down very slowly, working on the eccentric part of the move. Then lay on your belly and lift your hands up, then back down, then push yourself back up and repeat. For an alternative exercise, just do a push-up while on your knees.
I didn't wanna talk too much, talk too much, talk too much. Just wanted to show you love, show you love, show you love. I didn't wanna hide behind, hide behind, hide behind all the thoughts that crowd my mind, crowd my mind, crowd my mind. 'Cause I just wanna wake
Now time for some plank jacks. Nice and easy exercise you're all familiar with. Keep pushing, guys. Next, get into a reverse tabletop again. Bring that left leg in while engaging your core, then extend it out again and repeat. Not long to go, guys. Just 4 more exercises to go. You got this. No rest here. Now onto the other leg. Keep going, guys. Now get flat on the mat and lift your legs up straight and reach the opposite feet with your hands. Less than 2 minutes to go, guys. The next one's easy.
force the feelings away. They were never meant to stay, and it's too late to find the glimmer left behind. I'm slipping through the place that we
Now flip around and it's up and down planks. You guys should know this one well. Make sure you're engaging that core. Final 2 exercises. Let's do this.
our memories don't exist and fall away and drift to where we won't be missed. Before these lights they all went dark and you and I we fell apart. With you, I would fade away with
Alright, last exercise. Start in a high plank, do a push-up, then sit back or go into a child pose and repeat. Just go nice and slow, guys. Try your best here and give it all you got. And that's the workout, guys. You did it. Now, I really appreciate it if you could smash that like button for me and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!